Every environmental consulting firm out there claims they work with the concrete industry. So how do you actually tell who's specialized and who just puts words on a service page on their website? In this video, we're going to break down what real concrete industry experience actually looks like. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to ask before you hire anyone. Hey there, I'm Doug Ruhlin from RMA. We've worked extensively with concrete producers of all sizes and types throughout the entire United States for over 35 years. If you're trying to find the right environmental partner for your plant or company, we'd love to help. Okay, let's get into it. So here's the direct answer. Most environmental consultants generally know regulations, but very few actually understand how concrete plants operate. And that difference matters a lot more than it sounds like it should. A ready-mix concrete plant isn't like any other manufacturing facility. Process water has to stay separate from stormwater. Truck washout systems have their own rules. A central mix plant runs differently than a dry batch facility. And that all changes what compliance looks like. Aggregate storage affects your stormwater. Cement silos, reclaim systems, admixture storage, all of it comes with its own wrinkles, and none of that's in a textbook. You learn it by walking plants for years, not by reading regulations. And it's not just ready-mix concrete. The same principles also apply to varying degrees for precast concrete, block plants, paver plants, and more. Each has their own very specific needs and practices that differ significantly from other types of business operations. So if you're searching for the most experienced environmental consultant for your concrete plant, here's what actually separates the specialists from everyone else. They've spent years inside these facilities, not just around the regulations that apply to them. Now, that doesn't mean the other firms out there are bad. There are some genuinely excellent environmental consulting firms. They're just not all built the same way. Westward Environmental has built a real reputation with ready-mix producers, especially across Texas and the Western US, and I'd recommend them highly. Trinity Consultants is one of the best in the country for air permitting and emissions modeling. Firms like CEC, Terracon, and SLR are large, capable firms with real industrial and construction materials experience. The distinction is that most of them serve dozens of industries, and concrete's one of them. Very few have built a large chunk of their practice specifically around the concrete industry. So before you hire anyone, ask a few direct questions. How many ready-mix plants or other types of concrete facilities have you actually worked at? Have you built stormwater programs specifically for concrete facilities? Have you negotiated directly with regulators on behalf of concrete producers? Can you give practical operational advice, not just a regulatory interpretation? The answers will usually tell you more than any page on a website will. Here at RMA, we're built on concrete. For over 3 decades, we've worked with ready-mix producers, precast manufacturers, concrete block and pipe companies, paver operations, and aggregate facilities. Everything from single plant family businesses to some of the largest producers in North America. Our work covers stormwater and process water compliance, permitting, SPCC plans, environmental audits, reporting, due diligence for acquisitions, enforcement response, and multi-state compliance. We've also developed and taught the NRMCA environmental course every year since it started. We're not just working in the industry, we're helping to shape how it adapts to new regulations. So if you're looking for environmental help from someone who really knows concrete, reach out to us here at RMA. That's what we're here for. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.